See this pile of banana peels? It's just from one evening because I froze a lot of bananas for nice cream because I eat that for dinner most nights. And what am I going to do? I'm going to start saving all these banana peels. I experimented and dried some out. I'm going to cut them up, dry them out, and then use them for mulch. Here's a bag of bananas that I froze for ice cream. And we're gonna make some tonight, so I'll show you how it's done. All right. So I just filled my blender here with frozen bananas. Next, I'm going to add a bit of water. This is distilled, by the way. My distilled water. Just put about I don't know, an inch in the bottom. Some strawberries that I thawed out all day, and just because I like my nice cream to be pink, I want to eat these strawberries on top of the nice cream, so I'm going to do that. But I'm just going to put a few of them in the jug just because I like a little bit of strawberry flavor in it. So there it is. I'm going to put the top on and we shall blend. And when we blend, I'm going to warn you now, my dog likes to howl. And voila! Dinner every night. Now it's pretty hearty because this is probably, like, if I had to estimate, I don't know, maybe 10 or 12 bananas and then a whole bunch of strawberries and some raisins. It's just so delicious, and I eat this whole bowl for dinner. And if I'm still hungry afterwards, I'll eat some more. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe so I can be inspired to make more videos. Happy ice cream eating, everyone!